Once upon a time in the sunny hills of Jamaica lived a spirited ginger-haired man named Anthony. With a vibrant smile and a heart full of love, Anthony was never alone, surrounded by his 10 trusty dogs, a little group of white, brown, and black pedigree terriers named Catherine, Sammy, Phoebe, Alice, Sweetie, Hannah, Maxa, Cooper, Chloe, and the ever-energetic Dabley. Each dog had a unique personality, making Anthony's life an adventure filled with joy and laughter. One day, Anthony felt a growing urge for a new beginning, a call that led him to dream of moving to the UK. However, a worry swept at his heart and mind. What would become of his beloved canine companions? He couldn't imagine leaving them behind. The next day, while strolling through the village, Anthony met Mr. Handsome, the local vet, with a friendly grin. Sensing Anthony's unease, Mr. Handsome shared the good news. "You can take your dogs with you. Just get them vaccinated, get their health checked, then identify them with passports and have them microchipped." Anthony's face lit up with hope. With renewed determination, he and Mr. Handsome set out on a mission. Over the next few weeks, the dogs received their vaccinations and health check, and each dog got their little passport. Finally, the day arrived. Anthony packed their bags, and with his furry family by his side, they boarded the plane together, ready for their new adventure in the UK. As the plane took off, Anthony looked at his dogs, wagging their tails, and smiled, knowing they would always be together, no matter where life took them.